Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Upasana's math class. So we will do a short trick to solve these types of questions. When you see these types of questions, it is very easy actually. If I write this square root here, I can see we have four terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in all four terms, 13, we have 13 square. So if I take 13 square common, what will be left inside? It will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? This is nothing but 13 square times 4, right? This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So what we'll do, we have 13 square, it will come out 13, and then 4 is 2 square, so it will come out of under root, it will become 2. What is 13 times 2? Is 26. So that is our option D. So these types of questions, we just need to use these types of tricks to get a easy answer.